Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm walking you through how to set up every notification trigger in Notion step by step. If you've ever missed an update, a mention, or just want to stay organized across platforms like Slack, Discord, or email, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll have notifications working exactly the way you want, so nothing important slips through the cracks. Let's jump right in, starting from your Notion workspace. First, head over to your Settings menu. You'll find this usually at the bottom left of your sidebar. Give it a click. Now, this part is crucial because your settings are basically the command center for notifications. Take a moment to look for all your notification options here. You should see toggles for Slack notifications, Discord notifications, and email notifications. Turn each one on if you want Notion to send updates to these other apps. Think of it like setting up a personal mailman. Every toggle is another mailbox making sure your messages get through, whether you're a Slack power user, or you love Discord, or simply rely on good old email. Next, look for activity in your workspace. This setting makes sure you're alerted anytime someone does something important in your workspace, like editing a page, uploading a new file, or making a change you should know about. While you're here, also turn on Always Send Email Notifications. This one's handy, especially if you don't check Notion constantly but don't want to miss a beat. You'll get an email notification every time something happens, so you're always in the loop. Make sure page updates are turned on too. If you collaborate a lot, this helps you catch every revision or comment on a specific page. Now toggle on Workspace Digest. This creates a summary of all the activity that happened, bundled into a neat little report. It's like having a daily newspaper for your workspace, super helpful for not getting overwhelmed by constant notifications. Lastly, don't forget announcements and update emails. That's where Notion shares important news or product updates that could impact how you work. Now let's cover mentions. Whenever someone wants to get your attention on a page or in a comment, they'll use the @ symbol like at person, that's you. Notion will immediately notify you when this happens. It's a simple but powerful way to make sure you never miss a direct callout, just like tagging a friend in a social media post. If you want to set reminders on a page, just type date or reminder. Select today or pick a custom date and time like remind me in a week. This creates an automatic alert for yourself or for anyone collaborating on the page. It's great for deadlines, follow-ups, or even just remembering when you last updated something. At the top right corner of a page, you'll see a little three-dot menu. Click it and you'll find Updates and Analytics. Here you can check who made changes when they happened and even see your activity log. Think of this as your change detective, especially useful if you're part of a busy team and need clarity on what's changed. Ready for extra power? Try adding a database to your workflow. There are lots of reasons you'd want this, tracking projects, inventory, or scheduling tasks. Just type database on your page, add a data property, and click to add your data. In those properties, you'll find a remind option, letting you set alerts or reminders specific to each database item. So now you can track deadlines, project milestones, or even birthdays and get notified right on time. And that's it. I know there are quite a few settings, but once you've set these up, Notion becomes an even more powerful assistant in your daily work and collaborations. If any step didn't work or you want more details, drop a question in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.